Ever wonder why every flight starts with a cabin safety demonstration? You might think it's just routine, but comprehending these procedures can be the difference between a safe journey and a perilous one. Today, we are going to delve into the world of cabin safety, understanding the emergency procedures and equipment on board. Firstly, your seatbelt. It's not just about fastening and unfastening, but knowing when and why. Fasten during takeoff, landing, and turbulence. It's a simple click, pull, and release mechanism, designed to keep you safe and secure in your seat. Next, oxygen masks. These drop from overhead compartments if cabin pressure drops. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your nose and mouth, breathe normally, and don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Oxygen is flowing. Remember, always secure your own mask before assisting others. Life vests are under your seats. In case of a water landing, pull it over your head, fasten the straps around your waist, and pull tightly. Only inflate it when you're leaving the aircraft to avoid getting stuck inside. There's a light and a whistle for attracting attention. Emergency exits are the next crucial element. Familiarize yourself with the nearest one. It may be behind you. In an evacuation, leave everything behind, slide down the evacuation slide, and move away from the aircraft. For anyone on board with mobility issues, airlines provide an aisle chair, a narrow wheelchair designed to fit the aircraft aisle. Flight attendants are trained to assist passengers using these chairs during emergencies. Lastly, remember the brace position. This helps reduce the impact on your head and back in case of a crash landing. Lean forward, hug your knees, or place your head against the seat in front of you, and cover your head with your hands. Now, let's summarize. Seatbelts keep you secure, fasten them whenever necessary. Oxygen masks provide life-saving oxygen, pull and cover your nose and mouth. Life vests are your best friend in a water landing. Wear, fasten, and inflate them when exiting. Know your emergency exits and evacuate promptly when instructed. Aisle chairs are available for those who need them, and the flight crew is there to assist. And finally, the brace position minimizes impact injuries. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at cabin safety and emergency procedures. Remember, the purpose of these procedures isn't to scare you, but to prepare you. So next time you're on a flight and the cabin crew starts the safety demo, pay attention. It's not just about the journey, it's about arriving safely. Safe travels!